Hi guys, my name is Yeti Olamide Adibere and welcome back to Living Life with Your Favorite Nurse. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and join the family. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm showing you guys my 5-minute makeup routine that I just do to get myself out of the door using all of Merit's products. So just a little backstory. If you don't know, I'm a nurse. So when I was working in the hospital and continuing care, I would honestly wake up at like 4, 5, mostly 4, to just beat my face and do my makeup. But it was so difficult. Honestly, it was hell because like I used to take the bus back then and you have to be at the hospital at like 7:30. So I wasn't even getting sleep just because I wanted to beat my face. And then one day I went to work without makeup because I was like, I can't do this anymore. My patient was like, are you sick? Are you okay? And I was like thinking like, oh my gosh, like have I caught something? Like is there something in my face? Like do I have an allergic reaction? And I was like, no, like I'm good. He's like, wow, okay. And I went to the bathroom and I looked just to, you know, make sure that I was all right. And I didn't have makeup on. I was like, okay. I thought I still looked fine, which I do. You know, he was just probably getting accustomed to my face. But since then I was like, okay, I do want a makeup routine that I can literally do like 5-10 minutes just, you know, to make myself look more awake, make myself look more alert, maybe not sick. Just because, you know, I feel comfortable that way, I feel more confident that way. Although my natural face is beautiful, I do like just to have just a little bit of makeup, you know, here and there when I can. So this makeup routine is for basically anyone on the go. You're trying to get somewhere, you don't have time to beat your face, but you just want just a little something, okay? So for this routine, I'm using Merit's 5-minute morning set. So it basically has everything that you need to do up your face. So they're all about minimalism, nothing too heavy, nothing too hard, something that's just easy that you can put on and go and still look good. So my face is all washed, so I'm just gonna start by putting my Hyaluronic Acid by The Ordinary. This is just to moisturize my face because I don't want it to be dry. Honestly, I find this is like the perfect product that just gives me enough hydration. Like when I use this, I really don't have to use anything else. Especially if I'm just doing like light makeup. I really don't pack on much if I just use this product, to be honest. And I put a little bit more on my nose because my nose tends to like get really dry all the time. And especially right now in the winter, it's awful. So I'm gonna start with their volumizing brow. So this is what you can do, is to just get your brows all together and give yourself like a little bit of color. So this is what it looks like. I have it in the shade, I don't know what the shade is called, but it's kind of a dark brown kind of shade. They were out of black, so I went with this one. And then sometimes I actually do go with a brown shade anyways, so I didn't mind. So this is what my brows look like now after using their volumizing brow on both eyebrows. I do have pretty full eyebrows already, but just to, you know, put them all together, give myself that line, that tail at the end, is really easy, and I didn't have to use any other product. I saw that, you know, other people still do use other things to kind of line their eyebrows a little bit, but I think this is sufficient for the look that I'm going for because, again, I said really minimal, really easy. I don't have time to be doing like extra stuff with my eyebrows. So now I'm gonna go in with their concealer foundation. It's called the Minimalist Foundation Concealer Stick. People can use this, their full face, under their eyes, whatever they want to use it for, it's up to them. And it's actually like really soft. I'm gonna stick with under the eyes just because of the shade. They didn't really have the shade that I had wanted at the time of ordering. So I'm just gonna kind of use this as a highlight underneath my eyes instead of doing this or putting this on my entire face, just because the color will definitely not match. And they have their own brush. We will just blend out everything, and it blends out really, really well. And it's really, really soft. So I actually really like the foundation concealer and how like easy it moves on your face. Again, this would not be a shade for my entire face just because it's a lot lighter, but I like the fact that it is light because I typically highlight and contour anyways, and the shade that I always use under my eyes is a lot lighter. So this works, but it's not something that I'm gonna put on my whole face just because of how light it is. So at least it kind of makes me look a little bit brighter underneath my eyes, more awake, which is the goal. And that's how that part looks. So now I'm gonna move on to their Flush Balm. So it's like a cream balm. So I'm really excited about this because I've seen this a lot on Instagram. And it just kind of looks like this. And you just put it where you want it to go. So that will give you your rosy cheeks vibe. And I'm someone that always like, if I'm trying to do a minimal look and I don't want to like contour and highlight, I will put blush. So I love that they have blush. So I'm gonna use the same brush that I use, their brush, just to blend it out. You can use your fingers too, but I'm just gonna use their brush because it's like easier and I don't want to get my fingers all dirty. Guys, I actually look so cute. So I'm gonna put a little more just because like I am just a little dramatic. That's just me. So, and I just really like how it looks. So I'll just put a little bit more so I can have like the rosiest cheeks ever. So I can just look alive for my patients and the people in the world. I'm taking my time with this, but this is just meant to be 5 minutes, okay? So it should just be quick, but you know, I'm talking and just really taking my time. So now we're gonna use their Day Glow Highlighting Balm. So this is just like a easy highlight that you can just put on. So you know me, well, if you don't know me, now you know me. But my nose is usually highlighted. If it's not, ask me what's wrong. Just ask me. Love it. Okay, so we're gonna blend that out. I don't know what I'm gonna use. Maybe I'll just use my hand. We'll see. Your hand suffices to blend it out, but honestly, I may just use their brush again to blend it out more. And you know me, I might just add a little more just cause, you know, I like to glow. Unnecessarily. Glowing is just a part of life. Okay, I might just put a little bit below my brows just to add some highlight there. Okay, so I'll just blend it out again. Hopefully you guys can see that. Hopefully you guys can see this. I know my lighting in my bathroom is just not what it should be, but hopefully you guys can see that glow. Yeah, absolutely. And then my nose, and then just under my eyes a little bit. Hello, look at me. Now we're gonna use their lengthening mascara. Mascara is mascara. There are some mascaras in this world that I don't like, and I've tried this one and I love it. Do you not see that compared to this? So I have really short lashes, but I find like this mascara really helps just like accentuate them and make them look longer. There's no way in this life that I'm putting falsies on for work. So this is the best there is. This is the best thing that I can use, honestly, to make myself like feel better about my eyelashes, because I just can't be gluing at 5 a.m. in the morning. It's just not what it is. And then here we are. I hope you guys can see the difference. Like, So now we're just gonna finish off with my lips, but this is basically the face. I'm gonna spray my face though. I have to cheat a little bit because I'm not really okay, which is just a me thing, putting on like a colored lip without any liners or anything on my lips. So I'm just gonna put a simple lip liner from MAC or whatever just to line my lips before I use their lip oil, which is like colored. So I just lined my lips. This is how it looks. Nothing serious. I didn't add any lipstick, anything. So I'm just gonna use their lip oil now and show you guys what it looks like. So this is their tinted lip oil, which is honestly amazing in the winter because it really helps with the dryness of your lips. I chose this brownish color, just something that's more like a nude on my lips. Like I don't really want to be wearing like a red every day or a pink. So again, something that just kind of blends with my lips, which is why I did choose this brown lip liner. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if you guys can see how heavily my lips are chapped through the video, but winter is really trying my lips. So I'm just gonna spray my face, honestly, with my Mario Badescu, I can never pronounce it. Just for some hydration. Alright guys, so this is our final product. This is our 5-minute makeup routine with Merit. I just want something simple, cute, that, you know, makes me look alive. No one will be asking me if I'm sick. And you know, that I can just feel comfortable with and doesn't take a long time because I really don't have time to be waking up at like 5, 6 a.m. just to beat my face. It kind of just gives you that natural look. Again, it didn't take long at all. It took like 20 minutes to actually record this video just because I was talking. Put my glasses on so I can show you guys, you know, how I'll be looking going to work because I need to see. So this is what they'll get. This is who they'll get. There's obviously a glare, but yeah. This is your nurse. Whether I'm going to public health or I'm going to the hospital, this is your nurse. Even though I didn't actually put their concealer foundation all over my face as an actual foundation, I just kind of used that as a concealer because of the color. I'm still really happy with how it came out. Like, makes me feel like I don't need foundation, but you know, I'll still use my foundation. I like that I was still able to just put it underneath my eyes and I still look good, look fabulous. So you can buy Merit products from Sephora or you can go straight to their site. I have a link down below that you can use. Be sure to let me know if you try their products, if you like their products, what you think about them. So I will see you guys next week. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today and keep living life from your favorite nurse.